Jamaica, our island, our home, a place filled with sunshine and built on the sacrifices of those who came before us. We stand tall because of them, the brave people who fought for the freedoms we enjoy today. The Christmas Rebellion of 1831 shows us how strong their spirit was. It reminds us that freedom isn't a gift, it's something you have to fight for. This rebellion, a super important time in our history, isn't just something that happened a long time ago. It shows us that people always want to be free. It reminds us that the fight for real freedom never ends. It's a journey that needs us to stay alert, be brave, and always fight for what's right. Let's never forget what happened that Christmas. Let's honor their memory by continuing to fight for a truly free Jamaica. Remember their struggle. Remember their courage. Remember their sacrifice. We don't have the chains of slavery anymore, but there are new things holding us back. We can't see them, but they're strong, stopping us from being our best. It's like someone's telling us we're not good enough, that we should accept less. Some people are still taking advantage of others, keeping them poor. This makes it hard to get ahead, follow your dreams, and be independent. We're told we're free, but many of us are stuck in jobs that don't pay much, just trying to survive. This isn't the freedom our ancestors fought for. We need to break free from these new kinds of chains. We need to take back our minds, our money, and our futures. Christmas Day, 1831. A day for happiness and parties became a day of fighting back. The enslaved people of Jamaica were tired of the hard life on the plantations. They decided they wouldn't be quiet anymore. The rebellion, carefully planned and smart, spread across the island quickly. Plantations were on fire, showing how much people wanted to be free. The enslaved people, brave and wanting freedom, fought against those who held them captive. The Christmas Rebellion wasn't just about breaking chains, it was about being treated with respect. It was a loud message. Black lives matter. Black voices matter. Black futures matter. Sam Sharpe, a church leader, was the brains and heart of the rebellion. He was smart, inspiring, and always fought for fairness. He started the fight for freedom. He told the enslaved Africans to take the freedom that was theirs. Sharpe knew that real freedom meant more than just breaking chains. It meant being free in your mind too. He told people to learn, be proud of being African, and believe in themselves. Sharpe still inspires us today. He shows us that real leaders are brave, strong, and believe in people. He's like a light showing us the way to a future where all Jamaicans are truly free. Education is more than just learning things. It's about making our minds strong. It's the key to unlocking what we can do and breaking free from feeling like we're not good enough. We need to give our kids the tools to understand the world, think for themselves, and fight unfairness. Our schools need to change. We need to stop just memorizing and start being creative, thinking hard, and coming up with new ideas. We need to teach our kids about their history, where they come from, and their power to make the future better. Let's help our children. Let's help them become the leaders and change makers our country needs. Let education build a new Jamaica, where everyone can be their best. Having your own money isn't a special treat. It's something everyone deserves. We need to get rid of the things that keep people poor and create chances for all Jamaicans to do well. We need to support our local businesses, help our communities, and build a system that works for everyone, not just a few. We're good at starting businesses. We're strong and creative. Let's use this to build companies, make jobs, and grow our economy. Let's help our farmers, artists, and creative people. Talking is done. It's time to do something. Let's build a Jamaica where everyone can have their own money. The Christmas Rebellion wasn't a loss. It started big changes. It made the world see how bad slavery was and started a movement to end it everywhere. The brave people who fought in 1831 are still with us today. When things are hard, let's remember how brave they were. Let's honor them by continuing to fight for fairness. We can't just sit back and relax. The fight for freedom is like a relay race, and it's our turn to run. Let's be brave like those in 1831. Let's be strong when we ask for fairness. Let's be the ones who finally break the chains and make Jamaica the place our ancestors dreamed of. We are the children of these brave people, and we must honor what they did. We must make sure their fight wasn't for nothing. We must learn from what happened, celebrate the good things, and admit when things went wrong. We must remember the lessons of our history because they will help us build our future. This isn't just for our leaders, it's for all of us. Everyone has a part to play in making Jamaica better. Let's work together, young and old, rich and poor, no matter our political beliefs, for one goal, a Jamaica where everyone can succeed. Let's honor the past by building a great future. Let's build a Jamaica that is successful, fair and free. It's time for us to stand tall and take our place in the world. We are survivors, creators, and world changers. We have the skills, strength, and willpower to overcome anything. Let's use the spirit of our ancestors, the spirit of 1831, and make Jamaica a place of hope for ourselves and the world. Let's overcome the problems and unfairness that still exist. Let's build a Jamaica where every child gets a good education, where everyone has good jobs, and where everyone can be their best. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Let's move forward with courage, determination, and belief in ourselves and our beautiful Jamaica. Rise up, Jamaica, rise up!